You want me to take off? Okay. Holy shit, dude. David, this morning we had the same. I had to leave my name to check in or some shit, dude. You. True. Ringtone.
Both of your drivers, you're the same?
Same truck.
Okay,
Same.
one of you guys, take off the chains. Park over here where it says stop. Let me look at the platform. The other guy, register with him. He can drive,
No,
right?
no, he can't. He can't. He's underage, yeah.
Okay, I thought you were king.
I got you. I got you.
Yeah, don't worry. Then give that information to him.
All right.